Alright, what's Gucci y'all? It's your boy 360 Sosa. Sosa done did that. And this is a video on how you can clean your shoes, specifically Jordans, and I'm using the Reshoevn8r Wipes to do it. So let's get into it. Alright, so let's get into it. First off, if you're buying new Reshoevn8r Wipes, this is what mine came in. I got a 12 pack. I think it was for like 10 bucks, something like that. It was pretty cheap. I will of course put a link in the description. Here are how the wipes look. They kind of look like condom wrappers, but it's just nice to keep a couple of these in your bag, or you know, carry them around with you if you have nice shoes. So that's what I do. I just carry these in one of my side bags whenever I go out in public wearing my shoes. So let me get my shoes out and then I will show you how to use the Reshoevn8r Wipes. But beforehand, just know that you cannot use it on suede or nubuck. That's what it says, so just be mindful of that. Alright, so before we get started, you're going to need your Jordans, you're going to need Reshoevn8r Wipes, and then I am using 2 towels right now. So I have a microfiber towel and then just a normal hand towel. So that's what I'm going to be using, and that's all you need with these. Just the Reshoevn8r Wipes, and then 2 towels just to wipe anything off. You can have water with you if you want to, but it's not necessary. So let's get into it. Alright. So these are my shoes. Alright, so as you can see, there's these marks across some of these shoes, and then the soles of them, of course, need cleaned. So let's show you how I get this done. So first, you're going to, of course, need 2, maybe 3 Reshoevn8r Wipes. So grab these out, and then all you have to do is, of course, I shake it so you can get the wipe to the end, and then of course you just tear it open, and then you will get a towel that is like this. So this side is flat, this side is rough. So first, of course, you want to use the rough side and then get all of the dirt off, and then I use the soft side to then wipe it down, and then after I'm done with that, you use the towel to get the dirt off completely. So let's get into it. Again, do not use this on suede or nubuck. Here are the ingredients and the directions though. Alright. So I have my wipe, and then of course here's the dirt, and it's as simple as just, there you go. That's how you clean it. That's it. If you have stitches, then you want to, of course, go with the grain, because if you go against, then it will take the stitches out a little bit and fray them. So just make sure you're going with the grain. But you're just going to take your wipe on the rough end and then just start scrubbing down. Also, if you are going to clean the stitches, make sure you're just not pressing super hard. You want to press hard enough, but you don't want to just start going ham on it. So, and again, make sure you're not getting the suede or the nubuck. These have suede, so Just make sure that you're not cleaning them with that, and I can show you how to clean suede in a different video. Another tip that you can do sometimes is you can stuff your shoes with socks so that way it doesn't push the shoe in when you're cleaning it, and then it makes it a little easier to clean and get, like if you have really dirty shoes, that's the best idea for that. So that way you can actually get deep into it, otherwise it will just push the shoe in. So that's another recommendation. And you can use it on the foam and on the soles. I think it works great, so I'll show you that once I'm done here. And the cleaning agent on this works for a while, so you don't have to just use it for a little second and then throw the wipes away. Use them for a while because they work. I actually think that this type of cleaning solution works best on the foam for it. So it actually, in my opinion, works the best on the soles, which is good because that's where it gets the most dirty. But it works great on everything too. So let's see, look. So let me show you on the sole. I just wrap it around my finger like this, so that way it's a little easier to actually scrape the dirt off. So you just put your shoe on your hand like this, and then start scraping. As you can see, it works right away, cleans it right off. Like if it's a brand new cleaning wipe, you can also wring out some of the solution on, and then it will just go crazy cleaning. So you can already see how much cleaner it is right now. So these things work crazy good, and this wipe is not new. It's already been used quite a lot, so. All right, so you can already see how much that cleaned off. And it looks like it has made the surface worse, but you can feel it and it hasn't. So it's not like it's dug into the shoe or anything like that, you know, or into the foam, so yeah. All right, so you can see how that shoe cleaned up so far. All right, so let me show you this shoe. It's dirty. See, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So, again, take your wipe, open it. Take it out. And then you want to get the rough side first. I will show you this part first so you can see how much it really cleans. So you can see how much that cleaned already. Then you can use the towel to pat dry. You don't want to wipe it, so that way it doesn't get everywhere. But see, you can already see how much that got out. So let's do this thing so I can show you that one really quick. No pressure, just dragging the wipe across it, and that's it. All right, so you've wiped it all off. Now you just want to take the microfiber towel and then mainly you want to pat dry it. You don't want to wipe it off unless it's the sole. So that way it doesn't mess up the leather or mess up the stitching, anything like that. So all right, so these are the shoes. Now that they are clean, it takes like 5 seconds to clean them completely. The shoe cleaner wipes are super nice. Big fan of them so far, so I recommend them to everybody. Like I said, I will link a link to where I got them in the description so you guys can get them too. All right, y'all, that's gonna be the end of the video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm really enjoying these Reshoevn8r wipes so far. They're fairly cheap, they're very convenient. Haven't had any issues so far, and they clean my shoes really quickly, and I enjoy that. So like I said, I recommend anyone who has any Jordans to get these wipes because they're super nice for your shoes and they're very convenient. So that's gonna be the review for you guys today, and also showing you guys how to clean your Jordans. I'll do a more in-depth video, kind of like an overall how to clean video, not just with the Reshoevn8r wipes. So it's your boy 360 Sosa. Sosa done did that, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.